All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, ES6, destructuring via REST elements. Okay. So in some situations involving array destructuring, we might want to collect the rest of the elements into a separate array. All right. The result is similar to Array.prototype.slice, which we haven't learned yet. Or have we? Well, I don't remember. Anyway, as shown below. So we've got this const a, comma b, comma, dot, 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 r. And this is the rest parameter, rest something. Let me type that in. Rest syntax. So rest parameter. So it actually is a thing. I've been saying it's the same as spread syntax, but this actually is a thing. And when it says rest, it doesn't mean like, you know, taking a breather. It means the rest of the stuff, like 1, 2, and the rest of it. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so there we go. So we've got a, comma, b, comma, rest operator r. And then now that equals this array right here, okay? And so when we do console.log a, comma, b, it's going to give us 1, comma, 2. And then when we say console.log r, it's going to give us the rest after a and b, right? So 3, 4, 5, and 7. So variables a and b take the first and second values from the array. This is all to reiterate. After that, because of the rest syntax presence, r gets the rest of the values in the form of an array. The rest element only works correctly as the last variable in the list. As in, we cannot use the rest syntax to catch a subarray that leaves out the last element of the original array. So yeah, if we did this and then said something like comma D, it wouldn't work because that wouldn't be the rest of it. It wouldn't be the end of it. You know what I'm saying? Just to let you know. So now we're going to use a destructuring assignment with the rest syntax to emulate the behavior of Array.prototype.slice. And remove first two. The remove first two function should return a subarray of the original array list with the first 2 elements omitted. Okay. So what we're going to do here is look at this, come over here and say, that's what we're going to do. So we'll say something like this. Let me make it go down one more. So and then we'll have brackets. And since we're not going to be worrying about anything except for the rest, we're going to do the little thing that we learned on the last lesson where we can do, where we can do comma, comma to just omit stuff. So we'll say let comma, comma, dot, dot, dot for the rest operator, list now equal args. How about that? No, args. Now that equals list. And we're going to return lists, args. Okay, so let me explain this. So the list is exactly like this right here, because in this case, it's going to be this source, because remove first 2 source. It's going to be this function call, and source is going to be this array. So it's just like this right here. So what we're going to say is let dot, dot, like comma, comma, and those are the first 2, because we're getting rid of the first 2, right? Dot, 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 args now equal list, and list is this right here. Hopefully that makes sense. And then we're going to return args, which is the rest of everything after the first 2 are taken out. Let's prove it. Coming down here, say console.log source without first 2, because that's what the function calls variable is called. How confusing. But anyway, we see 1, 2 is gone, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. So let's run the test. Looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to use destructuring assignment to pass an object as a function's parameters. And we'll see you next time.